Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The dream of a French coastal house. A little chat about color. You know that feeling when you stumble upon a photo of a sun-drenched house on the Normandy coast or tucked into a cliff in Brittany? It's not just envy. It's a specific kind of calm that washes over you. It's the kind of home that feels effortlessly chic yet completely lived in, as if it's been weathered by sea salt and happy memories. Capturing that magic isn't about strict rules, but about a feeling of lightness and ease. And for me, it all starts with a simple, timeless palette. The French coastal look is less about nautical stripes, though a few are welcome, and more about natural textures and sun-bleached tones. So grab a cup of coffee and let's imagine building this dream house together. Room by Cozy Casual Room. Let's start outside where the mood is set. We're going with the classic bleached white. Think a pure, bright white with a matte finish like Benjamin Moore's Chantilly lace. This isn't a sterile white. It's a warm, chalky one that glows in the morning light. Against it, we'll add shutters or door frames in a soft, weathered gray wood, like driftwood that's been smoothed by the sea. For the garden, let textures do the talking. Feathery grasses in shades of pale jute, silvery olive trees, and climbing rosemary. The goal is to let the house look like it naturally belongs, nestled between the sky and the land, with no harsh lines. A gravel path, the color of pale oatmeal, completes the effortless, welcoming approach. Step inside and the first breath should feel like a sigh of relief. We'll keep the walls in that same airy white, letting the light bounce around. The floor here is key, maybe white plank oak, washed in a very pale grayish oatmeal stain. Pop a simple rustic bench in a jute-colored linen against one wall. Hang a large rattan mirror to catch the light and make the space feel bigger. We'll keep accessories minimal. A woven seagrass basket for shoes and a single piece of art with faded blue-gray tones. It's not a formal lobby, it's a practical, pretty space that says, "Kick off your shoes, you're home." This is the heart of the house, where comfort is king. Those white walls are our perfect canvas, making the room feel bright even on a misty coastal day. We'll upholster the main sofa in a durable, soft oatmeal linen, a color that hides sand and invites naps. Accents come in through a weathered gray wood coffee table and chunky knit throws in pale jute. Add a few vintage pieces like an old sea captain's chest to tell a story. Finally, layer in texture with a large sisal rug and linen curtains that flutter in the breeze. The overall feeling is serene, relaxed, and deeply comfortable. Imagine waking up here. The walls are a soft, quiet white, like morning light on plaster. The bed, the star of the show, is dressed in pristine white linen sheets, piled high with pillows in varying shades of oat and pale gray. The headboard might be upholstered in a nubby jute-colored fabric or made from reclaimed gray wood. A simple, worn wooden stool sits beside the bed, holding a stack of books. Keep window treatments sheer and light to let the day in gently. This room is a sanctuary, calm, cloud-like, and designed for the best night's sleep you've ever had. Gatherings here should feel easy and convivial. A solid farmhouse table in weathered gray oak is our anchor, surrounded by mismatched cane-seated chairs. Overhead, a simple linen pendant light casts a soft, warm glow. For the table, think less about matching sets and more about collected charm. White stoneware plates, oak-colored linen napkins, and glassware that catches the light. A sideboard in the same bleached wood tone offers storage and display space. The mood is unfussy and welcoming, perfect for long lunches that stretch into the evening. This is a workspace that should feel joyful, not clinical. Cabinetry gets the beautiful bleached white treatment, perhaps with a chalky matte finish. Countertops could be pale limestone or honed Carrara marble for that soft, natural vibe. Open shelving made from pale gray weathered wood displays white bowls and stacks of earthy pottery. The backsplash might be simple white subway tile with a lime wash paint for texture. Add woven bar stools in a jute tone for the island. It's a kitchen that feels collected and warm, where the coffee always tastes better. We're chasing spa-like serenity here. White freestanding tub. Absolutely. Pair it with walls in our trusty warm white and floor tiles in a soft pale oatmeal tone. Vanity is crafted from driftwood gray timber with a stone countertop. Hardware is simple, in unlacquered brass or aged nickel, to develop a patina over time. Keep textiles plush and simple. Thick white towels and a pale jute bath mat. Add a single trailing plant on the windowsill. It's a quiet, tactile space that feels clean, fresh, and wonderfully grounding. A little coastal retreat all your own.